Alright, so I was doing some work on the old Bronco last night, getting it ready for prime. I thought I was doing the final prep. You can see I started stripping paint up front there, and I took out the wiring harness, and I still had this bed yet to strip. I was using that needle scaler, and I blew a little pinhole out up there in the driver kick panel, and I got tired of chasing rust up there. This is the old panel here, another piece of it, and you can see had a couple patches in it already where I was chasing rust. So this is the hole I blew out with a needle scaler, which told me that was thin metal there. And this is behind the door pillar, so you can see it was just raw metal from the factory. You can see where I'd been patching in pieces, and every time I would fix a piece, think I was good, I'd have another piece. So anyway, I just cut the whole part of that panel out. And you know, got a good edge there. I got it clean where I drilled out spot welds. I'm gonna clean that up, and then fab in a new piece. So I probably didn't need to go that extreme, but I was never happy with the way that lower kick panel looked, even though it would have not been visible, you know, with the fender on. It was kind of wavy down there, and I didn't know how to, I couldn't get it straight. Spent some time trying to straighten it, and don't know why it mattered to me, because like I say, you can't see it, or you won't be able to see it with the fender on. But between the rust and the waviness and the patches I'd already put in there, I just decided I'm going to do a nice clean cut, and I'll fab in a new piece, and it'll all be good metal. I can get some weld through primer up here on these factory pinch points, and this was a replacement door pan here, or floor pan here, so that was already pretty clean. I'll have to grind off those buttons, but it'll be much better, I think, when I'm done, and it should be flat and aesthetically pleasing. Why it matters, I don't know. Probably wouldn't have cut so much out if I hadn't have been having a bourbon and Coke. Another reason why you shouldn't drink and use power tools. One of many good reasons. So that's the next project. Fix that. Alright, just letting things cool off a little bit, but let's see what I got going on. Replacing that metal. Welding it right now from the outside. Part of it I might have to catch from the inside. You can kind of see what I'm replacing there. Alright, been out here undoing the can of worms I opened up the other day. Yeah, this new piece fit in there. See where I'm plug welded to the edge of the floor pan lip. You gotta grind that a little bit with my grinder. You gotta grind all these welds flush. Grind all down through there. That's what it looks like on the inside. A little bit of grinder work on there too. Okay, got the outer kick panel smoothed off. Got the welds ground down. Still got a little bit more work to do in here. Some of these I had to weld from the inside for parts of it because of the door post there.